All right, guys, just finished up this Porsche Turbo S right here. This thing has 18 miles on the dash, brand new car, beautiful PTS painted sample, olive green color. We just painted all the bottom in the factory color. Very hard to do. We're in the sun just so we can show you guys what it is. Stop, man. As you can see, color is perfect. Painted this down here. Also, the front has a PPF clear bra on there. The bottom side skirt was painted, and then the back wing and the whole diffuser, which is really the majority of the paintwork, looks incredible. Got some white and polished HREs on there to complete this really crazy spec Porsche Turbo. Ladies and gentlemen, Moses over here brought a Mclaren 750S. Yes, this is the new Mclaren. It's not the 720, it's the 750S. And we are going to be doing lowering springs, which we have to find out if they make for the 750S. We're going to be doing an exhaust system, which we have to also find out if they're making for the 750S. And a tune, which we also have to find out if they're going to make for the 750S. And what else did you... What else? The center wing, please. No, honestly though, springs available. Tune, it's being worked on. There still has not been a tuned 750S. Rear mufflers being developed. That is different than the 765 and the 720, so that's different. But the cat pipes are the same, so we could do the cat pipes for now, and lowering. But the other two items are under development. We're helping push that forward and put it on this nice looking 750S. I mean, look at that color. Never seen that before. It also has a satin clear bra on it, and it has these wheels. Oh, we're doing wheels too, right? Yeah. So we're doing wheels as well, because these wheels gotta go. These are some. These wheels are a little bit funky, so we're gonna do all that. Stay tuned.
You're in a good mood today. You're never in a fucking good mood.
Because I'm watching for everybody. That I'm going good too.
You're in a good mood today. You're mad 364 days a year. You're only happy one day a year, and that's today. And I don't know how.
I have to kick your ass.
I have to kick your ass. Yeah. Make it the left, make it the right. Sounds the funniest person. You call him in the morning. You say good morning. How are you? Everything. Sounds like a bear. You can't hear him. He has the biggest ears. Look how big his ears are. Look.
No.
Nah. G-Wagon process has started. We are stripping this complete car. We're gonna do a complete different color change. We don't know the exact color yet. As you guys can see, we're starting. There's 3 people on the car, and it's gonna be a fast process. We're very, very busy right this month is crazy. So we have a lot of wraps. We gotta get moving. It's crunch time. Crunch time, crunch time. You know, when I do this, something special. All right, so we have this beautiful Monte Carlo here. Now this car, first of all, is a real man's car, that's one. All right, when you drive this thing, you feel like you're in a real car. It's gonna be a very special build. This thing is gonna be a full restoration, basically. We're gonna do complete exterior, new paint. We're gonna do white, of course, but we're gonna choose a different white that's gonna look more, you know, classier, nicer white. This car has a lot of rust, so we're going to have to fix that first. There's a lot of rust on this thing. It's a lot of work. As you guys are familiar, we did the Cressida. It's similar to that project, but this one's gonna be a little bit more fancier. So we're gonna do insane interior. We're still deciding on the color. We're gonna make it into a very nice interior color, design, mechanical, pretty much everything. So you guys, this is gonna be a nice build. Look at it this way now. And once it's done, it's gonna be a big build. It'll be a little bit of a It's gonna be a long build. It's not gonna be a week or 2 weeks or a month or so. It's a big build. So once it's all done, you'll see the difference.
What's up with you?
Nothing. I'm working hard. I would say piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece.
Pizza cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece.
Piece.
A cake.
A cake. Cake. Piece. Piece. And piece. A cake. Oh, I put this one, right?
To protect it?
I don't want to scratches in the paint. Because this one, when you put the parts on the body, make scratches on the paint. Would you try to speak English?
Yeah, you're doing good.
You know, I learned not too much, but I learned English a little bit.
You know a good amount. Your English is good.
Nah, I'm not
Yeah.
good. But I try to cover my little eye. So this one, you see, now this one is okay. Just put them on. Just put them on. You know the part is fit. You have to move it around so down. Now we're gonna fix it up the lines. And vámonos. Like the rest of the pieces.
Alright guys, we have this Huracan here, Huracan Performante. This car, we're doing a few things too. This car was already original satin black. It had a wrap on it. Customer wasn't too happy about the wrap quality, so we are redoing it again with satin black. But we're doing door jambs this time. It did not have door jambs on it. We're doing door jambs as well. Also, we're doing satin black wheels, refresh it. We're changing the center locks on the car from red to black. He's got original red center locks on it. We're changing it to black. Also, we're doing service mechanical as well on it. Needs some mechanical attention. And we're doing the brake calipers.
This guy doesn't care.
And we're doing brake calipers on this car. They're red right now. We're doing gloss black. It's basically gonna give it that murder look. He wants it all black, so that's what we're doing. Also, we are, and we're gonna redo his steering wheel. Steering wheel is fading already. We're just gonna make it nice and fresh, make everything new again with Alcantara. Put the car back together, and we're done with this one.
Guys, so we have our jumbo drying towel right here, RDB Auto Care. We have a PPF satin URUS right here, and I'm just gonna demonstrate how amazing this towel works. It's very big, so less time for you guys. Get it on there. You can move it around, dry it up. And look at that, it's already almost pretty much dried up right there. Almost the size of the hood.
The RDB wash mitt is the safest mitt to use, especially on bald heads like this. See that? There we go. RDB Auto Care wash mitt. Get it online.
All right guys, we have this beautiful Bentley here. We are putting a set of wheels on this car. We're putting 22s. Wheels are right there. You guys will see them when they come on the car. Also, we're doing not a complete blackout, but we're leaving a little bit of chrome. Customer wants to have a little bit of chrome and black combination to give it that classic look. So we're doing the window trims gloss black, as you guys can see. Also, we're doing a PPF in the front. Obviously the front end, the hood, bumper, fenders, and mirrors. We're working on that now. Tires are coming in today. This car should be ready in no time. Make sure there's an RDB I can help you. Give me one moment. This is important, I gotta take this.
Ferrari's first full EV.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
So
Okay.
the first EV has been spotted wearing a heavy disguise and fake exhaust tips. The prototype uses a modified Maserati Levante body with Roma-style headlights. And it's rumored to carry a high price starting at $535. Makes sense, because the Pure Sangway is like starts around there. This style of car is yet to be known. It's just literally testing, and yeah, that's kind of, I don't know, man.
That is very ugly.